Phoenix is no longer just about golf courses, retirement communities, and scorching heat. It's rising as the new Silicon Desert, a hub for cutting-edge technology, autonomous cars, and drone delivery. The transformation is reshaping the city into a global leader in innovation. Amazon's Prime Air drones are now revolutionizing delivery in West Phoenix. Packages can be delivered from the warehouse to your doorstep in under an hour. What was once a futuristic concept is now a daily reality, with Phoenix leading the charge in scaling these innovations. But what makes Phoenix stand out is its unique strategy. Inspired by Taiwan's approach, Phoenix is building science and technology parks that foster collaboration between manufacturers, suppliers, and engineers. Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, TSMC, has brought this concept to life in Phoenix, investing $65 billion to create an ecosystem where innovation thrives. The project will support 62,000 jobs, positioning the city as a global semiconductor hub. Phoenix's journey to becoming a tech powerhouse didn't happen overnight. Decades ago, after World War II, companies like Motorola and Intel were drawn inland due to federal policies that prioritized moving sensitive assets away from coastal vulnerabilities. Intel's arrival in the 1970s marked the beginning of Phoenix's rise, and its continued investment, over $30 billion, has cemented the city's role as a leader in semiconductor manufacturing. Today, Phoenix is at the forefront of multiple technologies. Honeywell is developing human-carrying drones, military UAVs, and delivery drones. Waymo and Cruise have chosen Phoenix as their primary testing ground for autonomous vehicles, with the city offering the ideal environment for innovation, thanks to its gridded streets, favorable weather, and supportive policies. This growth isn't just about attracting companies, it's also about nurturing talent. Arizona State University, the largest producer of engineers in the country, plays a crucial role in providing the workforce needed to sustain Phoenix's tech boom. ASU graduates over 700 engineers here annually, many of whom go on to work for industry giants like Intel, TSMC, and Honeywell. Phoenix's innovation ecosystem is powered by forward-thinking infrastructure. The city's 100-year water plan and highly reliable power grid make it uniquely capable of supporting advanced manufacturing and tech operations. These foundational elements have been instrumental in attracting companies like TSMC, which requires stable water and power to operate its advanced semiconductor fabs. TSMC's Science and Technology Park will be a game-changer for the city. Modeled after Taiwan's parks, it will allow smaller suppliers to integrate seamlessly into the local ecosystem, eliminating the need for heavy upfront investments in land and infrastructure. This approach creates opportunities for thousands of jobs and billions in economic growth, further solidifying Phoenix's status as a global innovation hub. Phoenix's transformation into a tech giant underscores a broader shift in perception. It's no longer just a destination for leisure, but a place where groundbreaking technologies are born. The city's strategic investments, robust talent pipeline, and unique collaboration model make it clear. The future of tech isn't in Silicon Valley, it's in the Silicon Desert. From drones to autonomous vehicles and world-class semiconductors, Phoenix is proving that the desert can do more than just survive. It can thrive. This city's rise is a testament to innovation, vision, and determination. The future is here, and it's happening in Phoenix. Witness the rise of the Silicon Desert. Like, share, and subscribe for more groundbreaking tech stories.